Complete Guide to Tucking and Body Shaping for MTF Crossdressers. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're covering something that many of you have requested, a complete guide to tucking and body shaping for male to female crossdressing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your technique, this video will give you practical, safe methods to achieve the feminine silhouette you're looking for. Content warning: this video contains educational discussion about anatomy and undergarments. It's intended for mature audiences seeking practical guidance. Before we dive in, remember, there's no right way to crossdress. These are tools and techniques. Use what works for you and always prioritize your comfort and safety. Let's get started. Understanding tucking. What is tucking? Tucking is a technique used to create a smooth, flat appearance in the genital area, allowing you to wear fitted clothing, swimwear, or underwear that would otherwise show visible lines or bulges. Safety first. Before we discuss methods, let's talk about safety. Never tuck so tightly that you experience pain, numbness, or restricted blood flow. Limit tucking sessions to a few hours when you're starting out. Always remove tucking garments before sleeping. If you experience any discomfort, swelling, or pain, remove everything immediately. Maintain good hygiene and give your body breaks between tucking sessions. The anatomy basics. Without getting too clinical, successful tucking involves positioning the testicles into the inguinal canals. These are natural cavities in your lower abdomen where the testicles originally descended from during development. The penis is then positioned back and secured in place. Tucking methods. Method 1, the gaff method. A gaff is a specialized undergarment designed specifically for tucking. You can purchase them online or make your own. Store-bought gaffs. Look for gaffs from reputable sellers specializing in crossdressing or transgender products. They typically have a reinforced front panel and strong elastic. Price range $15–40. Recommended brands include. You can mention specific brands based on your experience. DIY gaffs. You can make one from a tube sock or purchase medical tape designed for tucking. The tube sock method: cut the toe section off, cut leg holes, and use the foot portion as the front panel. This is budget-friendly, but may not be as comfortable or durable. How to use a gaff. After tucking everything into position, we'll cover technique in a moment. Pull the gaff up snugly, but not painfully tight. Adjust until everything feels secure and comfortable. The front panel should lie flat. Method 2, tucking tape. Medical-grade tucking tape is designed for sensitive skin and provides a secure hold. Steps. Ensure the area is clean and dry. Consider trimming or shaving for better adhesion and easier removal. Position everything as described. Apply tape from back to front, creating a smooth line. Use gentle, skin-safe tape removal techniques. Pros: very secure, great for swimming or tight clothing. Cons: can be tricky for beginners, requires careful removal. Method 3, multiple layer method. This uses regular tight underwear in layers. Start with a snug pair of boy short style underwear. Add a second pair of control top underwear or compression shorts. The compression holds everything in place. Pros: beginner friendly, uses items you might already have. Cons: less secure than other methods, can add bulk. Tucking technique step by step. The basic tucking technique. Step 1, preparation. Choose a time when you're relaxed. Consider doing this after a warm shower when everything is more pliable. Have your chosen securing method ready. Step 2, positioning the testicles. Using your fingers, gently guide each testicle up and back into the inguinal canal. These are located on either side, in the lower abdomen area. There may be slight pressure, but it shouldn't hurt. If you feel pain, stop and try again later. Step 3, positioning the penis. Once the testicles are positioned, tuck the penis back between your legs. Point it down and back, creating as flat a profile as possible. Step 4, securing. Apply your chosen method: gaff, tape, or compression underwear. Make adjustments until everything feels secure but comfortable. Do a movement test, sit, stand, walk around gently. Pro tips is: practice at home before wearing tucked in public. Start with shorter durations and build up tolerance. Wear an extra layer like Spanx for additional smoothness. Body shaping beyond tucking. Creating feminine curves. Now that we've covered tucking, let's talk about shaping the entire body for a feminine silhouette. Hip and butt enhancement. Padded underwear and hip pads. Padded panties add curves instantly. Hip pads, foam or silicone, create wider hips. Position pads at the widest part of your hips, slightly to the side and back. Price range, $20–$100 depending on quality. Shapewear for hip definition. High-waisted shaping shorts that extend to mid-thigh. These can hold hip pads in place while smoothing the overall line. Look for styles that cinch the waist and enhance the hip area. Waist cinching. Corsets and waist trainers. Underbust corsets can reduce waist measurement by 2–4 inches. Choose steel-boned corsets for best results. Never tighten so much that breathing is difficult. Start with 1–2 hour sessions. High-waisted shapewear. Control top pantyhose or shaping shorts. These smooth the midsection and create a defined waistline. Look for firm control options. Chest enhancement. Breast forms. Silicone breast forms are the gold standard. They come in various sizes and shapes. Can be worn in pockets in bras or adhered with specialized. Price range $30–$200+. Bra stuffing alternatives. Rice-filled socks, moldable and weighted. Foam inserts, lightweight, good for beginners. Water balloons, creates movement but can leak. Sports bra method. Wear a sports bra one size smaller for compression of chest tissue. Add forms or stuffing. Add a regular bra on top for shape. Shoulder and arm considerations. Softening broad shoulders. Choose tops with detail at the hips to balance proportions. Avoid emphasis at the shoulder line. Use shapewear with light shoulder padding for slope. The complete look. Layering your shapewear. Start with tucking method, gaff or tape. Add hip pads if using separate pads. Put on waist cincher or shaping shorts. Add breast forms and bra. Top layer, full body shaper or control top pantyhose. Your outfit goes on top. Comfort tips. Baby powder or anti-chafe cream prevents irritation. Take breaks, remove shapewear every 4–6 hours if possible. Stay hydrated, as shapewear can increase body temperature. Listen to your body. Common mistakes and troubleshoting. Common mistakes to avoid. Tucking too tightly, this can cause pain and health issues. Wearing shapewear too long, your body needs breaks. Wrong size shapewear too small causes discomfort, too large doesn't work. Skipping hygiene, always wash reusable items between uses. Ignoring pain signals, discomfort means something's wrong. Troubleshooting. Problem, tucking comes undone. Solution, try a stronger securing method or add an extra layer of compression shorts. Problem, visible lines or bulges. Solution, add a smoothing layer like control top pantyhose over your securing method. Problem, discomfort after short time. Solution, you may be tucking too tightly, readjust with less tension. And that's your complete guide to tucking and body shaping for MTF crossdressing. Remember, these techniques take practice. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't work perfectly the first time. Start slowly, prioritize comfort and safety, and find what works best for your body. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cross-dressing tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with your questions or your own tips. This community learns from each other. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident and be yourself.